Yeah, dear students, I'm very extremely sorry I have joined late due to some technical issue. I joined late. Now I will start the session. Actually, I should start exactly 6 o'clock. Due to some technical issue, I joined late. Now I'm going to continue the session. Today, 3 marks questions. In the previous session, I have done 1 mark questions. In the previous session, I have done 1 mark and 2 marks. Today, I am going to complete 3 marks questions, 5 marks and 6 marks. We have 3 categories. 3 marks, 5 marks and 6 marks I am going to explain today. 3 marks, 5 marks and 6 marks. First one I am going to explain the 3 marks. It will be around 10 questions. After that 5 marks questions will be there, around 6 to 7 questions. And the 6 marks question, definite question, 1 question is there. I am going to explain that also. That is most important. Please follow this class. No doubt, definitely you can get maximum marks. Maximum score you can get. No doubt in that. Do it again one more time. Definitely you can score maximum marks. Now, see here, the first problem we are going to explain. Find the general solution of cos 4x is equal to cos 2x. Just observe this problem. Find the solution of cos 4x is equal to cos 2x. Now in this problem, you can see here, when I have taken find the solution of cos 4x is equal to cos 2x. So here always remember, I will tell you when you are finding general solution. So before you should think when cos theta is equal to cos alpha. When cos theta is equal to cos alpha, where alpha is the principal value, theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, n belongs to y. This is your general solution when cos theta equal to cos alpha. Just you remember this. When cos theta equal to cos alpha, theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, n belongs to z. So what is alpha here? Alpha is the principal solution. Here alpha is the principal solution. Alpha is the principal value or principal solution. How to find that? So you remember, whenever they are talking about principal value, in the case of cos, how to find alpha? Here whenever cos value positive, so this is 0 degrees, pi by 2, this is pi. When cos theta is positive, your alpha lies between 0 to pi by 2. Whenever cos value positive, the alpha value lies between 0 to pi by 2. This is pi by 2. Just remember this value is pi by 2, 90 degrees right. Pi by 2. When cos theta is negative, your alpha lies between pi by 2 to pi when it is negative. Here you should find. Correct. This is the principal value. Now coming to the given problem, you can see now the given cos 4x is equal to cos 2x. Cos 4x is equal to cos 2x is given. We can compare. Like in the place of alpha, 2x is given. So I can write general solution now. This theta means 4x equal to 2n pi plus or minus. I can write alpha means 2x is given here. Direct I can write here n belongs to y. I can consider plus or minus. I can now you take 4x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus. I can write plus or minus plus 2x. This is one of the answer. Again 4x is equal to, I can write 2n pi minus 2x. Both will consider. Now you can see here, transfer 2x this side, 2x is equal to 2n pi. So x is equal to n pi, n belongs to y. This is one of x is equal to n pi. X is equal to n pi, n belongs to y. Now here you transfer this side, 6x is equal to 2n pi. So x is equal to n pi by 3, n belongs to y. So this is the required solution. You understood, I think? Like this is clear. I hope you understood the problem. Yes? Alright. Now you can see here what I am going to explain now. Another one I am going to explain now. So this is one of the problem. See the another one. Find the general solution of the equation. Find the general solution of the equation 2 cos square x plus 3 sin x equal to 0. So in the previous video, in the previous class, I explained this one. Trigonometric functions part 1. I explained this one. Please go through that repeated questions, question number 17. So you can see the previous video. Trigonometric functions 1, I explained this one. So you can see the previous class. You see the previous class video. You understand previous class video, in that it will be the previous class. Just to see the previous class video. In that it will be there. See the previous class video, in that you can find this answer. I have done this problem. Please verify that. Now, because there's a just yesterday problem, I have done that. Please verify that. Now see the next problem. Prove that cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Look into that. What they are asking here. Prove that they are given here cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is also important problem. See here, I am going to explain that now. This is important. Prove that cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So, in the previous class, I have done sin 3x. Now, this also you can see. To prove cos 3x, first of all, you should know cos of x plus y formula or cos of a plus b formula. Anything. Suppose you should familiar with this cos of a plus b. What is cos of a plus b formula? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Should remember this. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. In the place of a, you write x. In the place of b, write 2x. Then I can write now. This one I can write cos of x plus 2x, because 3x right side right. I can write x plus 2x. Cos 3x you can write cos 3x, because I can write cos 3x is equal to cos 3x equal to cos of x plus 2x. Now if we compare with this cos x, correct, cos x, cos 2x minus, I can write sin x, sin 2x. So which is equal to, now we can see cos of x plus 2x, cos 3x. I have written x plus 2x, a is x, b is 2x, cos x. What about cos 2x? This is cos x. Cos 2x means you should express in terms of cos only. 2 cos square x minus 1 cos 2x formula, that minus sin 2x into sin x. Sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x. Right, 2 sin x cos x. Now you simplify this. If I simplify this, you multiply this, what it comes now? 2 cos x, you will write 2 cos cube x. 2 cos cube x minus cos x. This one I can write minus 2 sin square x into cos x. Everything we want in terms of cos only. Replace sin square x with 1 minus cos square x. Just replace sin square with 1 minus cos square x. So it will be 2 cos cube x minus cos x. 2 into sin square x means I can write 1 minus, you can write, this is our convenient, I can write 2 cos x into sin square x means 1 minus cos square x. So this will become 2 cos cube x minus cos x. Multiply this, minus cos x minus 2 cos x plus 2 cos cube x. I hope you understood this. Just you simplify the final step now. 2 cos cube x, 2 cos cube x, it will be equal, correct? This will be equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So that is the required one. Just to prove that cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, take cos of a plus b formula, then replace a with x, b with 2x, then you simplify. Here cos 2x means 2 cos square x minus 1, you take that. Sin 2x means 2 sin x cos, you take that, you expand that. Everything I want in terms of cos, replace sin square x with 1 minus cos square x, you simplify, we get the required answer. I hope you understood this. If anyone have doubt, please ask me, I can explain again. If you have doubt, please ask me, I can explain again. Is it clear? If you have doubt, you can ask me any number of times, no issue, you can ask. I am here to explain again and again. You can ask me. I can explain. I think we understood this right. Then I can do the next problem now. I hope you understood. Still you have doubt, no problem. In the chat box, send me your message. Definitely can repeat any problem. No doubt, I will repeat that. They prove that 3 sin pi by 6 secant pi by 3 minus 4 sin pi by 6 cot pi by 4 is equal to 1. This is the problem they are given here. So here only sin pi by 6 we will find the value. What is sin pi by 6? I can write sin of pi minus pi by 6. Because it's second quadrant, pi by 6 second quadrant. Second quadrant sin of pi, I have written sin of pi minus pi by 6. So second quadrant sign will be positive, 180, no change in the function, it will be sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6. Now you take here LHS. Left hand substitute the value 3 into. What is sin pi by 6? Sin 31 by 2. Secant pi by secant 6, it will be 2. Correct, secant, this is secant 60. That will be 2 minus 4 sin 5 pi by 6, I got sin pi by 6. So we know that sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So I can write 4 into 1 by 2. Cot 45 is 1. We can simplify 2 to this one. This will get 3 into 1 minus 2 2's here. This is 2 into 1, 3 minus 2. We get the answer 1, which is good RHS. Simple. Substitute the values. You find here sin 5 pi by 6. Then you write the value. Then you simplify. That will be enough to solve this problem. I hope you understood this right. Please, if you have doubt, you can ask me. I will repeat again any number of times. If you have doubt, you can ask me. I will repeat this. Now, I think this is clear. Now I am going to explain the next problem now. See the next one now. Prove that 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. See in this problem. Tan 4x equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. So, if to know this, we should remember what is tan of x plus y. If we remember tan of x plus y, then I can write tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. You remember this formula. Tan of x plus y. Tan x, this is tan x plus tan y. Tan x, this is tan x, I get meaning this is tan x. Tan x plus tan 1 minus tan x tan y. Tan 4x is given. So you take tan 4x. Tan 4x I can write, to understand I am telling, tan 4x I can write tan of 2x plus 2x. Tan of 2x plus 2x you can consider. Compare with this, like tan of a plus b. I can write tan 2x plus tan 2x 1 by 1 minus, see tan x tan y. Here x is 2x, y is 2y. It will be tan x, tan 2x in tan 2x. Tan 2x into tan 2x. Now this will become 2 tan x by. See here it comes this one. See this is 2 tan x. 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x it comes. 1 minus tan square 2x. But we know that again same way, 2 into what is tan 2x? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Substitute this. 2 tan x. Sir, how do you get this one? 2x, replace x plus x. This you remember. Replace tan of x plus x, tan 2x. 2 tan 1 minus tan square x, it comes by 1 minus. In the place of same thing, you substitute here 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. You substitute in this. Wherever tan 2x, 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, you can substitute that. Now I can simplify. This if I simplify, here you will come to 4, you will get 4 here. 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x by this one you will get 1 minus tan square x whole square, 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x. You understood that I have written this. I have written here 2 tan 1 minus tan square x whole square. This will be 1 minus whole square minus 4 tan square x by denominator 1 minus tan square x whole square. Tan square x whole, this is tan, be careful, tan square x, it will be whole square. So here also remember this one. I can eliminate this one, you can see this one I can eliminate with the square. So then we will get now 4 tan x into this one, again make it reverse, it will go up into 1 minus tan square x by denominator 1 minus tan square x whole square, 1 minus 2 tan square x plus tan power 4x minus 4 tan square x minus 4 tan square x. How we get like this? See here, this is a fraction, numerator, denominator will go up 4 tan x and 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus a minus b whole square, a square minus 2b plus b square minus 4 tan square x. Right, because you can see the required answer 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. We got the required answer. Just to verify the conclusion again, which is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x into 1 minus tan square x by this one 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. Correct, tan power 4. I understood this. So this is the required answer. You add this 2 tan square x, 4 tan square x, but plus tan power 4x. So we got the required answer. That will be required answer. I hope you understood this. Just remember tan 2x, tan of x plus y formula, then easily you can solve this problem. Please, the question number 32. I understood that. If you have doubt, please ask me. I will repeat that. Question number 32. You in the chat box, please ask me to explain again. I'm here to explain again. I can explain any number of times if you ask. If it is clear now. So I will do the next one now. You see the next one. Prove that 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 is equal to 10. To solve this problem, first we know sine square 3 pi by 4 means I will find sine 3 pi by 4. When I am talking sine 3 pi by 4, this is like 135 degrees. That means this should be in second quadrant. I can write this one sine of pi minus pi by 4, correct? See the difference of pi and pi by 4 will be 3 pi by 4. You can express like this. Sine of pi minus pi by 4, right? This is sine of pi minus pi by 4. Second quadrant, sine is positive. Sine 180 minus theta, sine theta only. It will become sine pi by 4. Sine pi by 4 we know that 1 by root 2. But we know here LHS equal to left hand side 2 into sine 3 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 by root 2. Just observe here. The value I written here 1 by root 2 whole square. 2 into cos pi by 4. cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square. The given 2 into secant square pi by 3. When secant square per 2 into secant square pi by 3 means, observe here, secant 60, that will be 2. It will come 2 square. Now I can simplify 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus this will be 8. Then I can simplify now. This one, if I eliminate this one, 2, 2 and 2, 2. 2 I can eliminate. It comes 1 plus 1 plus 8. Total will be 10. Correct? You get the answer, right? These are the part of the problem sin 3 pi by 4. I explained the right side. Simplify that. Substitute the value. It gives answer 10. This is an expected question. I am expecting this question. The coming exam, coming pre-board exam, I am expecting this question. Chances are there 99% they may ask this question. Chances are there. Chances are there. Definite question. I am expected question this one. Try to solve that. Definitely you are able to solve that. Be thorough with these problems. Now I will do the next problem now. See the next problem now. When I am doing the next one now. Find the general solution of sin 2x plus cos x equal to 0. When they are asking general sin 2x plus cos x equal to 0, this is a simple problem. So they are given sin 2x plus cos x equal to 0. I can write when they are asking sin 2x plus cos x equal to 0. So we can write sin 2x implies, this is implies, I can write sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x plus cos x equal to 0. I can take cos x common. This is cos x. Take cos x common. If we take cos x common, this will be 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. Take just cos x common. Now you will get cos x equal to 0. Correct? Just product is equal to 0. You can write cos x equal to 0 or sin x equal to minus 1 by 2, right? Because cos x equal to 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. When you have taken 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0, sin x equal to minus 1 by 2. Sin x equal to minus 1. When they are asking general solution of this, now you can observe here. This will be, I can write cos x equal to 0 means whenever cos x equal to 0, in this case, every odd multiple of pi by 2 cos will be 0. So x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. N belongs to y. This is your answer here. Whenever cos will be 0, x value should be x is equal to 2n plus 1. This is x only. 2n plus 1 pi by 2. N belongs to y. When sin x is equal to negative, the principal value should lie between minus pi by 2 to 0. Here minus pi, this is 0, this is minus pi by 2. When negative, the principal value lies in fourth quadrant. So I can write this is minus 1 by 2. When this is minus 1 by 2, I can write this one minus sine pi by 6. I can write sine of minus pi by 6. So this is minus pi by 6 belongs to fourth quadrant. So this is the principal value. That is the principal value. Sin x equal to sin alpha. What is the general solution when sin theta equal to sin alpha? Always remember. So when sin theta is equal to sin alpha, general solution theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power into alpha, n belongs to y. This is general solution. Remember this. That will be the general solution. That will be the general solution. This is the theta. Theta equal to, this is implies, I have written implies theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power into alpha. Alpha is the principal value. Here principal value minus pi by 6. So I can write x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into minus pi by 6. N belongs to y. So I like this, I can complete this one. I hope you understood this. This is a simple problem. Correct? We got the general solution of this. These are 3 marks problems. They may ask for 3 marks. So 3 marks they may ask this problem. Now I will explain the next problem now. See the next one. Prove that cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square equal to 4 cos square of x plus y by 2. So remember, to solve this problem, you should know what is cos x plus cos y formula we have. Sin x minus sin y have formula. I will start with LHS. What is cos x plus cos y? 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2. This is direct formula we have. Remember, cos of x plus y by 2. I will write neatly here. Cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2. This is cos x plus cos y. Whole square we have. Whole square. Similarly, sin x minus sin y means 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2. Sin of x minus y by 2. So this is the formula. Like sin x minus sin, like sin c minus sin d. Now if we do squaring now, this will be 4 cos square of x plus y by 2 into cos square of x minus y by 2 plus 4 cos square of x plus y by 2 into sin square of x plus x minus y by 2. Correct? This is sin only. From these two, can I take 4 cos square x plus y by 2 common? Simple this. Take 4 cos square x plus y by 2 common. 4 cos square of x plus you take common. Then it remains, if you take common this, the terms remaining cos square of x minus y by 2 plus sin square of x minus y by 2. But we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 because the angles are same here. This is also x minus y by 2, x minus y by 2. You can see these angles are same. You observe here, this angle and this angle is same. Correct? You don't round it to understand it. Both angles are same. Cos square x minus y by 2 plus sin square x minus y by 2, that is 1. So the conclusion will be, I can write 4 cos square of x plus y by 2 into 1. That is the required answer. 4 cos square of x plus y by 2. That will be the RHS. We got this is our right hand side. We got it right. It's a simple problem. Most important problem. This was one of the expected question. Important for 3 marks. Important problem. I hope you understood this. Please ask me again if you have any doubt. I am here to explain. I will explain any number of times. I will explain if you have doubt. You can ask me, I will explain any number of times. I am here to explain any number of times. Please ask me. I will repeat the problems. Now see the next one. Here, prove that cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x, they are asking minus root 2 sin x. See this problem, when they are asking this problem, like cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b formula. So you take LHS. Remember cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. Or I can use it cos c minus cos d. That was I can use that formula. Just the previous one, what I have done, that formula you can use it. If you write cos of a plus b cos of a minus b, it will come. See this is cos of a plus b minus cos of a. You remember that. If you remember that cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. So this will be always equal to, remember cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b equal to 2 cos, you can see here, minus 2 sin a sin b minus 2 sin a sin b. If you expand this, it comes minus 2 sin a sin b. Correct? Minus 2 sin a sin b. So I can write this one minus 2. Here a means, say a means 3 pi by 4. If we compare this one, I can write 2 sin a means 3 pi by 4 into sin b means x. It comes like this. At the same time, sin 3 pi by 4, I should find the value. What is sin 3 pi by 4? I will find here sin 3 pi by 4. If we are taking sin 3 pi by 4, I can write 3 pi by 4, 135 second quadrant, I can write sine of pi minus pi by 4. Sine 180 minus theta, sine theta only, it will be sine pi by 4. Answer is 1 by root 2. Sine pi by 4. 1 by root 2. Now I can substitute the value here. If I substitute the value here, minus 2 into, I can write 1 by root 2 into sine x. Root 2 means I can root 2 into root 2 I can write. I am going to simplify now. This one I can write 2 means minus 2 means root 2 into 1 by root 2 sine x. So then I can eliminate this, right? So root 2 and root 2 I can eliminate. So the required answer will be now, we can write, which is equal to minus root 2 sine x. Minus root 2 sine x. Correct? Because this is the formula. You can show here cos of a plus b, cos of a minus cos of a minus equal to 2 cos a, sorry, 2 sin a sin b. You can show this formula here. This is 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b. That all I have taken here. Cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. 2 sin a sin b, right? I hope you understood this. Use this one, then you simplify, it gives the required answer. Now I am going to do the next problem now. I hope you understood this. Is clear? Please ask me if you have doubt. You can ask me. I will repeat now. See the next one now. That is 7th one now. If sin x equal 3 by 5, cos y equal minus 12 by 13, where x and y both lie in second quadrant, find the values of sin of x plus y. Sin x equal 3 by 5. Cos y is equal minus 12 by 13. X and y both lie in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive, cos is negative. Look into this value. Sin is positive, cos is negative. X and y both lie in the second quadrant. Find the values of sin of x plus y. Before you know that, sin of x plus y means, they are asking what is sin of x plus y. You remember sin of x plus y. Correct? Sin of x plus y is equal to, you can write sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Correct? This is cos x sin y. We'll repeat. Cos sin of x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Cos x sin y. Correct? Because we know that sin x value, cos y value. I should find cos x and sin y. That values I should find. When we are using sin x is given. So what is the given? Sin x is equal to the given 3 by 5. I want cos x from this. So you can find, use triangle method. Now you can consider this one using you can use triangle method, right? Use right angle triangle. So this is x. So this sin x, this is 3. This is 5. You know that? Find other side. I explained the previous class how to find that. Using Pythagoras theorem, you find other side. You know that how to find other side? Look into the previous class. I explained this. Now what you put cos x here? You write cos x is equal. I can write cos x is equal to, I can write immediately 4 by 5. But x belongs to second quadrant, so cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Since x belongs to second quadrant, cos x will be negative. Correct? Cos x will be negative since x belongs to second quadrant. Similarly, they are given cos y, I want sin y. So if they are given cos y, you see that they are given cos y. So cos y is equal to minus 12 by 13 is given. Minus 12 by 13. So you think about this. This is y. You take it, the angle. This is. So this is y. This is 12. This is 13. So ABC. Use Pythagoras theorem. I want other side. Here like this I tell you here. I want AB square. So AB square means I can write AC square minus BC square, I can use it, right? It is, I will explain this concept here. Same concept you can use the previous one also. AC square 169 minus 12 square 144. It comes 25. Then AB is equal to 5. Length AB is equal to 5. We got 5 by using AB square is equal to 25. AB is equal to 5. We got that this is AB is equal to 5. The length AB is equal to 5. Now I want sin Y. Sin Y is equal, I can write now. See, from this I can write sin Y, I can write. Sin Y is equal from this figure 5 by 13. Because here Y belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive. So sin Y 5 by 13. But here in the case of sin X, X belongs to second quadrant. Cos is negative. Cos X equal to minus 4 by 5. Now I can substitute the values here. They are asking sin of X plus Y, which is equal to sin X. Sin X, we know that sin X is given 3 by 5. 3 by 5 into cos Y. We got what is the cos Y? Cos Y is minus 12 by 13. 12 by that plus cos X minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5 into sin Y 5 by 13. Now you can simplify. This is minus 36 by 65. This is minus 20 by 65. So total minus 56 by, correct, 65 your answer. 56 by 65 your answer, right? This will be your answer, important only. Just use the formula and simplify this, then we got this answer. I hope you understood this, right? Is it clear? If you have doubt, please ask me. I will repeat this. I hope you understood this. Right. Check that. If you have doubt, you can ask me. I will repeat again if you have any doubt. I can repeat this. Now I will do the next one now. Find the general solution of secant square 2x equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Find the general solution of secant square 2x equal to 1 minus tan 2x. 1 minus tan 2x. So you see, this is the problem. This is the last 3 marks question. After 5 marks questions, we have around 5. No doubt in that you will get 2 questions. In 5 marks, you will get 2 questions. 6 marks question, 1 question is there. Find the general solution of secant square 2x equal to 1 minus tan 2x. You write the given equation. Secant square 2x I can write 1 plus tan square 2x, which is equal to 1 minus tan 2x I can consider. I have written like this, right? Now you see here 1 get cancelled. I can write tan square 2x plus tan 2x equal to 0. Transfer that side. Because 1 I can eliminate both sides 1. You take tan 2x common. If you take tan 2x common, from this you can see here, I can take tan 2x common. If I take tan 2x common, it comes 1 plus tan 2x equal to 0. Correct? Like this I will 0 here, I will got now. Now I can write tan 2x equal to 0. Tan 2x equal to 0. Or 1 plus tan 2x equal to 0 it comes. Correct? We have understood this. Just you write that I got like this, tan 2x equal to 0. Or 1 plus tan 2x equal to 0. This is OR. 1 plus tan 2x equal to 0. Correct? When I have taken like this, tan 2x equal to 0. Now you see, when tan 2x equal to 0, tan will be 0. X is equal to n pi. I can write in this case, I can write your answer. This is x is equal to n pi. Every multiple of n pi, n belongs to I. This part is over here. The right side part you can see now. Tan 2x is equal to, you will get minus 1. Tan 2x is equal to minus 1. In the case of tan, remember, whenever this is a 0, this is pi by 2, minus pi by 2. The principal value should lie between 0 to pi by 2 when positive value. When tan value negative, the principal value should lie between minus pi by 2 to 0. Again, we know that when tan theta equal to tan alpha, whenever tan theta, I will tell you general solution of this. So remember general solution. When tan theta is equal to tan alpha, when tan theta is equal to tan alpha, general so theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to y. This is general solution. Remember that will be the general solution. To understand, I have done this. Now I will complete the problem now here. Tan 2x equal to minus 1. It will come minus tan pi by 4. I can minus tan theta. I can write tan 2x is equal to tan of minus pi by 4. Because we want negative angle. When a negative, minus pi by 2 to 0. I should take a negative angle. This one. This is principal value. Or general solution 2x is equal to n pi minus pi by 4. N pi minus pi by 4. Now x is equal to, see you transfer x that side, x is equal to n pi by 2 minus pi by 8, where n belongs to y. Where n belongs to that, you should remember here. Correct? Here n pi by 2 minus pi by 8, comma n belongs to y. That is your general solution. Take 2 that side. N pi by 2 minus pi by 8, where n belongs, come, this is comma, where n belongs to y. Where n, come, n, you write here, n pi by 8, n belongs to y. The conclusion. This was important problem. Now I am going to explain the 5 marks questions. The most important one. I am going to explain the 5 marks questions. Now I will explain the 5 marks questions now. See, in the 5 marks questions now, when I am explaining 5 marks questions, prove that these are 5 mark questions now. In 5 mark questions, prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. This is important problem. 99.99% you may get this problem. 99.99% they may ask this question, no doubt in that. They may ask this problem. Damn sure. They may ask, try to solve this problem. Practice 2-3 times. This is maximum. They may ask this problem. So they are given this one. You write. Again here I can write now. LHS. Apply here. Numerator. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. See, right side we have cot 3x. That means cot 3x means, what is the meaning of cot 3x? Cot 3x means cos 3x by sin 3x. That means in the numerator you should get cos 3x common. Denominator you should get sin 3x common. So cos 3x is common. So I will rearrange this. So I can write cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x. The middle term you write here by this one sin 4x plus sin 2x plus I can write sin 3x. Apply cos c plus cos d formula. What is cos c plus cos d formula? That you remember. When cos c plus cos d. So whenever cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Apply that formula here. That you remember here. Cos c plus cos d. I can get the formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos 4x minus 2x by 2. Why? Because cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 plus cos 3x by denominator sin c plus sin d. So sin c plus sin d means you can see 2 cos sin c plus sin d. Your denominator should write. What is the denominator? Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. plus sine 3x. Correct? You write like this. Just write the formula. Now numerator will become. See here. I have written formula here. Then you can become. This will become. Then I can also write here. This will become 2 cos 6x. 2 cos 6x by 2. 2 cos 3x. Cos 2x. Correct? You will get this one. 2 cos 6x by 2. 3x cos 2x. Plus cos 3x. By denominator 2 sin 3x cos 2x plus sin 3x. You take common here, cos 3x common. It will be 2 cos 2x plus 1 by, you take sin 3x common. Denominator, it will take sin 3x common. If you take sin 3x common, the denominator, take just sin 3x common. If you take sin 3x, so this will become 2 cos 2x plus 1. Now you can see here, I can eliminate this one, right? When I have taken this one, I can eliminate these two. Cos 3x by sin 3x, answer is cot 3x. So that is the required one. Correct? Sin cos 3x by sin 3x is equal to cot 3x. That will be your required answer. The most important one. Don't forget this. Practice this. 99.9% they may ask this question. Practice that problem. Now I am sure you can answer that problem. No doubt in that. Right. I am doing the next one now. Do the next problem now. Prove that sin 9x plus sin 7x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x by cos 9x plus cos 7x plus cos 3x plus cos 5x is equal to tan 6x. See, in this problem, I take LHS, we take LHS. Again sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2. I can write 2 sin c plus d by 2. 9x plus 7x by 2. 9x plus 7x by 2. 9x plus 7x by 2. I can write cos 9x minus 7x by 2 plus same thing sin c plus sin d. I can apply here sin 5x plus sin 3x. If you take, I will take here sin 5x and sin 3x. I will write 2 sin 5x plus 3 because you can see here this is a lengthy one here. I can write this one 2 sin same what, but I will do here, take sin c plus sin d, 2 sin 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x by 2 because I have taken bigger angle before, right, by 2 by whole by. I can write this one same thing, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 9x plus 7x by 2 into cos 9x minus 7x by 2 plus again cos c plus cos d, 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x by 2. See my handwriting, if you are not understanding, I am reading that. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. In the case of 5x I have taken c and 3x I have taken d. You can rearrange that way. Now you will simplify. If I simplify, then it comes now. This is 2 cos 9x plus 7x by 2. So it will come 16x because 2 cos 8x. 2 cos 8x cos. Say 9x minus 7x, 2x by 2, it will be cos x plus 2 sin 5 8x side 2, you will get 2 sin 4x into cos 8x, cos x only it comes by 2 cos 8x So this is written wrong. This is sin 8x, right? Say written wrong. This is sin 8x. Be careful. This is sin 2 sin 8x cos x plus 2 sin 4x cos x by 2 cos 8x cos x plus 2 cos 5 8 4x by this one cos x. So in the numerator I can take it, you can see that. What can I take the common? You can observe here. Right. So what is the required one? I can take it common here. Right. When I have taken this. So 9, because 9x plus 2 sin c plus d by 2. So 16x, look at 8x. When I have taken common, here 2 sin 8x, 2 cos 8x. I can take the common here to simplify. Because anything I can take, whole I can take it cos x, whole I can take the common. Be careful here. I can take it only cos x common here. In this I can take it only cos x common. You observe here. If I take cos x common, this will be 2 cos x, you take common. Then this will be sin 8x plus sin 4x by 2 cos x common. It will be cos 8x plus cos 4x. Cos 4x. Now I can eliminate this one. 2 cos x, 2 cos x. I can eliminate that. Now apply sin c plus sin d by cos c plus cos d. Again the formula. You should apply the formula here. See, when applying the formula here, see what can I apply the formula here? Just observe here, which is equal to numerator. Observe numerator, sin c plus sin d. When I have taken sin c plus sin d, what is sin c plus sin d? Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 8x plus 4x by 2. 8x plus 4x by 2 into cos 8x minus 4x by 2 by this one. So cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2. 8x plus 4x by 2 into cos 8x minus 4x by 2. But you can see this is minus 4x. Correct. This is minus 4x. You observe here, don't confuse this. Please try to understand. Cos of 8x minus 4x by 2. So now what I will do here, I can eliminate this one. See, these two are same now. See here, this one. These values are so I can eliminate this. Now final answer you can see what I am going to write now after elimination this one, which is equal to 2 also I can eliminate. Sin by cos, this is tan. Correct? Sin by cos, both angles are same. So tan of, see 8x plus 4x, 12x by 2, this will be tan 6x. How sir? Sin by cos tan, 8 plus 8x plus 4x, 12x by 2 tan 6x. So that is the required answer, which is equal to RHS. This is equal to right hand side. RHS, I completed this problem. Here always remember cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. Remember those two formulae, we can solve this problem. Now I am going to explain 42. So question number 42, sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x by cos 5x minus cos x, which is equal to tan x. Here I am explaining all 5 marks questions. These are all 5 marks important questions I am explaining here. I am explaining all 5 marks questions. Please observe that I am explaining 5 marks questions. So prove that sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x by cos 5x minus cos x is equal to tan x. Again here also you take LHS. So apply sin c minus sin, I can rearrange here. Sin 5x. Sin 5x plus sin x. Sin 5x plus sin x minus 2 sin 3x by cos 5x minus cos x. You take like this. Now because I have taken this one, because I should take it common, you can see what I have do now. Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, 5x plus x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 5x minus x by 2 minus 2 sin 3x by cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, 5x plus x by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, 5x minus x by 2. This is 5x minus x by 2. So everything, all the product of the terms here I can write numerator. I can simplify now. So what I will do now, I will simplify, which is equal to 2 sin, this is 2 sin 3x and cos 5x minus x by 2, 4x by 2, 2x minus 2 sin 3x by denominator minus 2 sin 6 is 2 sin 3x, 2 sin 3x sin 2x. Can you take it here? 2 sin 3x common. If you take 2 sin 3x common, this will be, because I can take better minus 2 sin 3x common. Or you take 2 sin 3x common, this will become cos 2x minus 1 by. So that's the reason. What I am suggesting here, you take minus 2 sin 3x common. If you take minus 2 sin 3x common, this will become 1 minus cos 2x, correct? By denominator minus 2 sin 3x into sin 2x we have. Now I can see this one. I can eliminate this one now. Sin 3x and minus 2 also. 1 minus cos 2x. There are terms in terms of tan. 1 minus cos 2x will be, we can express 1 minus cos 2x, we can express this one value. I can write 2 sin square x. Sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x. Now 2 will get cancelled here. See, I can eliminate 2 now. So 2 I can eliminate. Sin square x square again with the sin x. Sin by cos it remains. Answer will be tan x. That will be your answer, right? So tan x is your answer. So that is required as a tan x is your answer. These are all 5 marks problems I am explaining here. Another 2-3 problems are there, 5 marks. Prove that cos 2x cos x by 2 minus cos 3x cos 9x by 2 equal to sin 5x by 2. So this is one more 5 marks problem. Cos 2x cos x by 2 minus cos 3x minus cos 9x by 2 equal to sin 5x by 2. This question rarely they may ask. This is a miscellaneous example problem. They may ask rarely this question. So this one you can see here. When I have taken this one, when I have written LHS, I can write to apply formula, this one, multiply 1 by 2 into 2 inside, 2 cos 2x, I can take it, cos x by 2, minus 2 cos 3x, I can write cos 9x by 2. So why I have done this, multiply 2 inside, divide by 1 by 2. I have taken this one. This is given 9x by 2. Now you can see here 1 by 2. 2 cos A cos B means cos of A plus B minus cos of, this is given 2 cos A cos B. When 2 cos A cos B will become cos of A plus B, 2x plus x by 2 plus cos of A minus B, 2x minus x by 2 minus, you will get again here inside this one. Again 2 cos A cos B, I can write cos of, same thing, cos of 3x plus 9x by 2 cos of 3x plus 9x by 2. So I will write the next step, I will write here. Correct. So when I have taken this one minus x by 2, you can write minus this one 2 cos A cos B. When 2 cos A cos again cos of 3x plus 9x by 2. 3x plus 9x by 2. Or no, better I will take bigger angle 9x, I will write bigger 9x plus 3x, 9x plus 3x by 2. Cos of the into, correct. Because 2 cos A cos of A plus B. So I have written this one, sorry, I am thinking another formula. 2 cos of A plus B. 3x plus 9x by 2 plus cos of A minus B. 3x minus 9x by 2. Be careful here. 3x minus 9x by 2. So here when I have taken this one, so simplification only, simply be careful here. 1 by 2. So which is equal to 1 by 2. This is cos 2x plus cos 5x by 2 plus cos 2x minus x by 2, 3x by 2, 3x by 2 minus, this is cos, you can see here 6x plus 9x, correct, you will get cos 6x plus 9x is correct, 15x by 2, cos 15x by 2 minus cos 3x, cos of 6x minus the cos of minus 3x by 2, you will get cos of minus 3x by 2 will be cos 3x by 2. So how can you write that? Right side tell you, remember, cos of minus theta, cos theta. Cos of minus theta, cos theta, remember this. Cos of minus theta will be cos theta, so remember this concept. Cos of minus 3x by 2, it will be cos 3x by 2. Now if you observe here, I can eliminate these two. Now 1 by 2. This is cos C minus cos D. Apply cos C minus cos D. Then I can eliminate again cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. C plus D, 5x by 2. C plus D, you can write 5x by 2 plus minus, you can see. Formula cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. So 5x by 2, correct, 5x by 2 plus 15x by 2 whole by 2 it comes. So how sir? Cos C plus minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, 5x by 2 minus 15x by 2 by 2. It comes like this. We should simplify this. I should simplify this. So I can write here 1 by 2. Multiply this. I can eliminate here. You observe here. This 2 and minus 2 I can eliminate. You will get minus sine. This is 5x, 15x. So 30x. You can see 30x you will get by 15. 15x by 2. So you can value here. Then you are simplifying here. The value you can see what it comes here now. 5x plus 5x plus 15x, 20x by 2. 20x by 2 means you will get 5, correct, here 20x by 2, 10x, 10x by 2, 5x, you will get 5x it comes. Next one, 5x minus 15x, 5 minus 10, 5 minus 15, minus 10 by 2, minus 5x, it will be minus 5x by 2, sine of minus 5x by 2 it comes. Be careful. The simplification. Sine of minus theta minus sine theta. Sine of minus sine theta. This will become positive. I will write sine 5x into sine 5x by 2. So that is the required one. Correct. Sine 5x into sine 5x by 2. So we got the required one. Sine 5x into sine 5x by 2. That is the required answer. We got the required answer. I hope you understood this. Please respond in the chat box if you have doubt. Please respond. Is it clear or not? Also you can respond in the chat box. This is the answer we got. Now you can see that Prove that cos 4x is equal to cos square 2x. Prove that cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. To solve this problem, I will tell you a simple technique here, you remember. That will be enough to solve this problem. Always sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Remember the formula. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. You can remember the formula. Using that we can solve the problem. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So here sin of a plus b. Always remember. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, it will be equal to sin square a minus sin square b. So this is the formula. Remember this. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. Remember this formula. Sin of a plus b sin of a minus b equal to sin square a minus sin square b. The given problem LHS. The given in terms of cos. Cos square 2 is correct. 1 minus sin square 2x. Correct, you can write this. Cos square 6x. 1 minus sin square 6x I can write. Correct. 1 minus sin square 6x I can write. Sin square 6x. Now you observe this one. I can simplify. 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. This will become sin square 6x. Sin square 6x minus sin square 2x it comes. Am I right? You understood this? Because how you got this one means, you can see here, this is minus minus plus sin square 6x minus sin square 2x. Now look into this, I told you here, sin of a plus b, remember this formula. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, sin square a minus sin square b. You follow this formula, then I can write your answer, sin of a plus b, 6x plus 2x into sin of 6x minus 2x. But when you are doing, you show the formula right side. Then it becomes sin 8x. It's correct. You got sin 8x into sin 4x. That's all your answer. Sin 8x into sin 4x. This is sin. Correct. Sin 8x into sin 4x. That is the required answer. That will be enough. You can complete that. Now 46th one. This almost with this I can complete this. After 6 marks I am going to explain. 6 marks for only one problem. It takes another 10 minutes it takes maximum time to complete the session. Prove that cos square x plus cos square of x plus pi by 3 plus cos square of x minus pi by 3 equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. See in this problem. So in this you observe here. In this problem, the topic you observe this problem, what I am going to explain here. Cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square of x minus pi by 3 will be 3 by 2 your answer. What I will do here, LHS I will take here. Take LHS. So when I have taken LHS here, so just take LHS. So LHS I will make convenient 1 by 2. Why? Because 2 cos square x you write. 2 cos square of x plus pi by 3 plus 2 cos square of x minus pi by 3. You write like this. Why? Because we know that 2 cos square x is equal to 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. We have this formula. 2 cos square x. This is 2 cos square x is equal to, remember this formula. 2 cos square x is equal to cos square 1 plus cos 2x. This is 2 cos square x way. So you observe here. When I have taken this 1 by 2, then I can write this 2 cos square x means 1 plus cos 2x. Again this one 1 plus cos of 2, this will be 2x plus 2 pi by 3. Correct. This also 1 plus cos of 2x minus 2 pi by 3. So replace this one because 2 cos square x. In the place of x we have this. This is 1 plus cos 2x you should write. Now you can see here 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. It will be cos 2x This will become cos. You see here, this is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. We know that cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, it will come 2 cos a cos b. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b. Just you remember that. Always remember cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. 2 cos a cos b. I will show you that. I will write right side here. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. If we consider this, this is always equal to 2 cos a cos b. This value equal to 2 cos a cos b. You can write that. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Correct. Which is equal to 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a, you remember this. I am using this one here. So same thing if I use here, then you can see here. 1 by 2, 3 plus cos 2x. I have done the 2 cos 2x. Cos 2 pi by 3 value minus 1 by 2. Cos 120 minus 1 by 2. Now you can simplify this 2 and this will get cancelled. You see here the step now. These are all 5 marks questions only. 1 by 2. This will come. 3 plus cos, this is minus cos 2x. 3 plus cos 2x minus cos 2x. This is cos 2x minus cos 2x. 2 will get cancelled, minus 1 is here. So now I can eliminate this one, I can simplify this one. Cos 2x cos will get cancelled. So cos 2 cos will get cancelled. Answer will be 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the required answer. So 3 by 2 is your required answer. I completed with this all 5 marks questions. 6 mark question, only one question they are asking. This is only direct question. Always they are asking 6 marks, same question. No doubt you will get this question. No doubt you will get in this question. They will give this question. Around 20 in trigonometric functions, around 20 to 25 marks they are going to ask. Definitely you can do that. So no doubt trigonometry, if you prepare my notes yesterday, today's, enough to solve that, to complete all the problems. Definitely you are able to do each and every question in trigonometric functions. Please do all these questions. Definitely you can score minimum 90 marks. I am talking about minimum 90 you can score. Minimum 90 you can score. See the last one now. Prove geometrically that cos of x plus y equal to cos x minus cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So this is important derivation. Prove geometrically cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Every year they are asking this problem, no doubt. Every year, no doubt the question they are asking. You draw the figure, consider a unit circle. Just consider a unit circle as shown in the figure. This is unit circle. Now take the points here, angle AOB. You can see angle AOB I have taken. That will be, you can consider here. Where you have taken the values, I can consider. Alright. This is angle, not angle AOB. This is angle AOD is x radians. See, small mistake here. This is angle AOD. This you can write this one. This is D here. Angle AOD. You can consider angle AOD is equal to x radians. This is not AOB. Consider angle AOD here. You understood this one? You write angle AOD is because this is x. Angle AOD is equal to consider x radians. Angle AOB, that is y radians. Angle COD, this is minus y radians. Consider angle. Unit circle as shown in the figure. Angle AOD, this is not AOB. Please convert into angle AOD is equal to x here. You consider. Now exterior angle of triangle AOC, triangle, here two triangles we have. Triangle, exterior angle of triangle AOC, you see here. And triangle, another one I have, BOD are equal. These triangles are equal. These two triangles are equal. When two triangles are equal, see the radius of the circle, all OA, OB, OC, OD are radius of the circle, all are equal. So I can say triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD. Triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD. Then I can write, hence when these are all equal, automatically correct AC is equal to BD. Then you take correct. When I have gone this one, when triangle is congruent, automatically I can say this, like those two triangles are similar triangles here. When two triangles are similar, definitely the length AC is equal to BD we have. The length AC is equal to BD in those two triangles. Now using distance between, because these points on the circle, these are the circle. These points again, this is 1 unit circle. So D point 1 comma 0. When I have taken this is x radians, the point and the circumference cos x comma sin x. This B point cos of x plus y comma sin of x plus y, this entire angle is x plus y. This point is, since minus y, cos y comma minus y, this is the point C. Consider those points. Now using distance between 2 points formula, you write AC square equal to BD square. Using distance between 2 point formula, you find AC between 2 points, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Find distance between A and C. If you take distance between A and C, see this is A and C. A and C. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Use distance between 2 points formula. You expand that. Similarly, you find distance between B and D. B and D. You expand this. If you expand A minus B whole square, A plus B whole square, expand here. Just you observe that. Very simple only. Just expand A minus B whole square. Here A plus B whole square. Here also A minus B whole square, A plus B whole square. Just expand. You know A minus B whole square, A square minus 2AB plus B square. A plus B whole square. A minus B, A square minus 2AB plus B square. A plus B whole square, A square plus 2AB plus B. Expand that. You simplify, cancel the terms which are, because we know cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Again here, sin square y plus sin, you can see here, sin square y plus cos square, that is 1. 1 plus 1, 2 I have written. From these terms I have taken 2, from this and this one I have taken 2 common. Right side you can see, again cos square of x plus y, sin square of x plus y is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now you take it common, you simplify, we get cos of x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, it comes. Sin x sin y, it comes. I hope you understood this. Please ask me if you have doubt. I will repeat this. Is clear? I understood this. Is clear? This is the most important one. No doubt, definitely they will ask this question. You practice this. 6 marks, no doubt in that. For this question, cos of x plus y derivation, 5 marks. Along with, you should solve one more problem for that 1 mark. So now, that 1 mark questions I am going to explain within 2-3 minutes now. See that along with, you should prove that. Along with theorem, you should prove that 1 mark question also. See that now. Right. So hence show that when they are asking along with problem, they will hence show that cos of pi by 2 plus x equal to minus sin x. When they are asking here, you should not use formula. Write cos a plus b formula, cos pi by 2 plus x, because they have derived the formula. You see, this is the formula we have. So replace x with pi by 2, y with x. Look into this, you write cos pi by 2 cos x minus sin pi by 2 sin x. If cos pi by 2 0 into cos x, sin pi by 2 1, it gives minus sin x. That's all. Again, find cos 75 degrees. Replace for 75 is 45 plus 30. Expand this cos 45 cos 30 minus sin 45 sin 30. Substitute cos 45 1 by root 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus again 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. Simplify root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Again, how to find sin 75 degrees? I explained for 2 marks. There I have done the same way, but here you can see using the formula they are asking. 90 minus 75 cos 15 degrees. I can explain. But it is also not required. Instead of doing this much also, so instead of doing this, we can also do another one. Now this also not required. Can I write sin 75? Sin of 45 plus 30. Can you write that? So you can avoid this also. You write sin of 45 plus 30, right? Directly you can expand that. But here, the thing is what they are asking here. The thing is they ask, but we know the formula. That is the reason you are explaining here. So here, so okay, better. Then the issue, because I thought we could do sin 75, but that is good. They are asking in terms of cos. So cos 90 minus 75, it will be cos 90 minus 75 will be sin 75. But here, this you read here, this is the mistake, this is not cos here. I should write here sin. This is sin. Sin, this is you write here. Sin of 90 minus 75 degrees. Sin 90 minus cos 15 degrees here. You get have written like this. So 75, 90 minus 50, also will be cos 15 degrees. Don't write cos, replace this. The place of cos, write sin of 90 minus 75. Here printing mistake. Sin 90 minus cos theta. Now cos theta I can write this one 45 plus minus 30. Because they are asking to use cos of x plus 5 formula. We are expanding this now. Cos A, cos B. Cos of minus 30, cos 30 only. Or you can use cos 45 minus 30 also, no problem. You simplify. Cos of minus theta, cos theta. Sin of minus theta, sin theta, it comes. See here. This problem, what I will do now. Here you observe here. Cos 45 degrees, this means cos 15 degrees. Cos 15 degrees, there 45 minus 30. But instead of that, I can do like this directly. Cos of A minus B, I can use this. I can use that one directly. So here, to apply cos of A plus B, cos A, cos B, cos of minus 30. Plus, we have to give the formula. Sin, here this is minus actually here. You can see, this is minus I should write. But how you got plus, I will tell you the reason. Cos 15 degrees, you observe here. I will explain besides here. Cos 15 degrees, sin 75. When you are taking sin 75 degrees, we have written cos 15 degrees. You have written this one. Cos 45 minus 30 I can write. Because I can to understand cos 45 degrees plus of minus 30 degrees I can write. We know cos of A plus B formula. You write cos 45 degrees, cos of minus 30 degrees. You understood this? This cos of A plus B formula. Cos 45 degrees, cos 45 degrees, cos of minus 30 degrees, minus formula is minus sin 45 degrees. Correct, I can write sin minus 30 degrees. So cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2. Cos minus 30, cos 30, root 3 by 2. This is minus sin 45, 1 by 2. Sin minus 30, minus sin theta, this one. This is sin of minus 30. Sin of minus 30 degrees, we know that minus sin theta, minus 1 by 2, 30 degrees. So this will be answer, root 3 plus 1 by 2, root 2, it comes. Root 3 plus 1 by 2, root 2, this is our answer. Please go through, if any doubt you can verify this. I explained again here. To understand how you got plus like that, I explained here. Now this is next. Show that cos 2x cos square x minus sin square x, cos of x plus x, apply the previous result, then you will get this. That's all, simple. The last one. They are asking here. Show that cos of x minus y equal to this. Replace for minus y, cos of x plus minus y, then you expand using the result what you got it, you write this. Next, cos 105 60 plus 45, you expand this, you write the value, you will get the answer here. Cos 60 cos 45 minus sin 60 sin 45. Cos 60 1 by 2 cos 1 by root 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2. You will get the answer 1 minus root 3 by 2. You will get 1 minus root 3 by 2 cos 105 degrees, it gives negative angle. So this is your answer. So with this, I have completed today's session. So if we go through all these problems, no doubt we get maximum marks in trigonometric functions. Maximum score you get to trigonometric functions. I completed everything in the trigonometry. Now in the next class I am going to explain next chapter, another chapter, complex numbers, quadratic complex numbers and quadratic equations. I will do that. See you in the next class. Next class topic is complex numbers. I will do complex numbers. Complex numbers in the next class. That means tomorrow. See you tomorrow. At 6 p.m. Yeah, tomorrow at 6 p.m. Yes, the people understood. Please like the, if you like the session, is it helpful? Please like the sessions. Yeah. Manasa, if you like the session, please like the session. If you like it, your choice. If you like the session, please like the session. So with this, we have completed tomorrow's session. Everything is over now. See you then.